Very nice.
My friends, that was the first one. Aspen!
Nice.
Woo!
But you cannot see anything. You have
Yes,
to. You have to
see.
move.
That's fine.
Just a very small point.
It's okay.
If you want, I can ski. You can ski parallel of me.
Okay, a little bit.
Okay, 1 second. Let me get it down.
Ready?
No, 1 second. Okay, go. I'll catch you up.
It's gonna be very slow so you can catch up with me, okay?
Yeah. Nice. Nice, Sergio. Careful. No worries. Come on, do it. That's it. That's it. Ski together, together. Don't put like a so wide. Nice.